It's a lot. But for us, it's everything. I see you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may simply call me Kimbe. Now, to some of you, this may look like old junk. Let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. What we find, well, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure a future. We have been waiting for you. You've heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? We hear that there's another, a new Jedi. What was her name?
Rey.
Rey, yes, Rey. What she is leading is a spark of hope that we have been waiting for. And that is why you are here. To look ahead. To know this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. You may know these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue, the crystal of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and of course, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future. Now it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, please close your eyes. Close your eyes. Picture it in your mind. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal.
On your tray. No, on the small one. There you go.
Wonderful. You have chosen your crystal. Now go ahead, place those crystals in the green crystal holder in front of you. We will join your crystal with the lightsaber design that you have selected. We will begin building your hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, also the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated.